Renowned Japanese architect Kengo Kuma teamed up with Suteki America to design an Asian contemporary home in the Happy Valley suburb of Portland, Oregon for the 42nd annual NW Natural Street of Dreams. Suteki House was crafted to be in harmony with nature, incorporating innovative techniques in its use of spatial flow, air, light and shakkei, borrowing from the beautiful gardens and scenery outside. This L-shaped house boasts glass walls and vertical cedar louvers, providing an uninterrupted indoor-outdoor connection between both levels. Inside, occupants are presented with 4,739 square feet of living space, complete with 3 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. This Asian contemporary home blends seamlessly into the landscape, offering expansive decks equipped with eaves that create cozy spaces for family reunions. With its Japanese gardens and creek, this property embraces the harmonious connection between nature and man, exuding a tranquil zen-like atmosphere.